Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the season to fall in Photoshop. So first of all, let's go ahead and convert this layer into a smart object by going to Filter and then Convert for Smart Filters. Hit OK. Then all you have to do, just double click on the thumbnail. Then simply inside of another document that will open up, go to Image, and then Mode and Lab Color. Then convert this mode to Lab Color. Then again go to Image and then Apply Image. Now inside of Apply Image, change the channel from Lab to B and blending mode to Overlay or Soft Light, whichever is your favorite. As you can see, the season has drastically changed. All you have to do, just decrease the opacity as this is too much. I'll go with somewhere around, say 52 to 54. That is fine for me. Hit OK once you are satisfied. Now once you are done, save it. Press Ctrl+Command+S or go to File and then Save. OK, not Save As, just Save. Now, once you save that, all you have to do just close this document. Go to Image and then Mode. Have a look at this. Still on RGB instead of Lab, and there you go. That's how you change seasons in Photoshop very quickly.